Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. So today I went to Primark. So I was meant to come back and kind of just sort out bits and pieces that I've been meaning to sort out. Like, I have so much to do all the time. Like, I literally am just non-stop. But I also had a bunch of things to take back from the Primark trip that I did the other day. Like, everything that I tried on I didn't like. It wasn't that I didn't like it, I just didn't love it. So I didn't keep any of the things that I tried on. And also the sandals, I didn't keep them. And then I got some wrong sizes for Elisa as well, which I didn't really get to exchange because I lost the receipt for the ones that were with her clothes. So I didn't manage to sort out her stuff, but I did manage to get a few other things, so I might as well show you because I have another Primark haul. So I've got a 3-pack of tights for £4, and those are just white ones to go with her Eid outfit. I picked up a notebook because it's got all these like sticky notes, and I am forever just losing my brain, and I just need somewhere to jot down all of my ideas. And I think this one is so pretty, and it like looks really pretty in this room, so it's just gonna sit on my desk here and have, it's got a pen with it, so it's like a pen already there, so it's just like somewhere to put down all of like my video ideas and notes and just like things like that, to-do list, whatever. That was £3, and I'm just gonna leave that on my desk. I picked up some socks for Issa because he just loses, I don't know where his socks go, but he just loses them. Where's your animal? They're in your room, baby, go get them. So the socks that I got are just yellow ones, then this like bluey greeny kind of colour, blue ones, just really like neutrally kind of colours for him because these are the colours that he always wears. And then I picked up a cardigan for Elisa's Eid outfit as well. This was £5. I actually picked up the right size this time. And then I picked up this t-shirt. This is just like a cozy lounge t-shirt which I can just wear whenever. It says coffee and creativity, which is a little bit of me, so I picked that up. This was £4. And then I picked up 3 dresses. So I didn't see these at all when I went to the other Primark, but I went to the Fort Primark this time, and I don't know why, I always find things in there that I really like. So I picked up this dress. I don't know if this is going to fit me very well because it is a size 12, but they didn't have any smaller sizes. But it's just this like wraparound dress, and it just looks really nice and like flowy and beautiful, and I think it would be so nice in the summer. This dress was £15, and the sleeves are like 3/4 length, and I think I would have to wear like a vest top or something underneath it because it is quite low. So that's the first dress. The next dress that I got was this one. I absolutely love the colours of this. I just think it's so gorgeous. I like the length of the sleeves. It's not like full length, but it's like a decent length, I don't know. It's a size 12 again, so it might be a bit too big for me, but it looks like it would fit me as a maxi dress. That's one of the main reasons I got it, because I like the length of it, and I could put a belt with it if it's too baggy. I thought I'd pick that up. It was also, no, this one was £18. I thought it was 15, but it was 18. It's got a keyhole on the back with a little button, and yeah, I just think that's really pretty. What do you think? It's quite long. Probably go down to like my ankles because I'm so short. I think it's meant to be like a 3/4 length dress. I don't know. And then the last one that I got is this one, and this, I have Eid in mind with this one, and I just thought it was so beautiful. Like, it's such a princessy dress. I just thought it would be so nice to wear on Eid. Obviously I'd have to wear a top underneath it because it is very see-through, and that's the front, and then this is the back of it. So I don't know, like, I'm gonna have to see how it fits and all that kind of thing. But this one also looks like it comes down to my ankles as well, so I picked that up. This one was, let's have a look, how much was this? This one was also £18. So yeah, I think that's so beautiful, don't you? It's like a princess dress. And that is my Primark haul. So today I actually have work 3 till 7 this evening. I bought a stir fry from Aldi earlier as well, so that's what I'm gonna have for iftar today, and I will make that as soon as I get back. Well, not as soon as I get back, but at iftar time, because it's later now. Like before, when I'd come back from work, it would be time to cook and eat like straight away, but now it's I can wait a little while, get the kids to bed, you know, just chill out a little bit. So yeah, that's what's going on today. So I'm just sitting here trying to get some work done. This little man's like, I want to sit with you. Oh no, did you drop your animals? You want to show them your animals? He's got lots of little baby animals, look.
Baby animals.
Baby animals, yeah. He just carries about 10 in one hand at a time.
Baby, haha.
You love your animals, don't you?
Baby animals.
Yeah, so he is just obsessed with animals and dinosaurs. This is just Esai's. Animals and dinosaurs, huh? You love animals and dinosaurs. What do you like best? Animals or dinosaurs?
Animals.
Animals.
Alright.
Are dinosaurs and animals the same?
No,
Are they the same?
dinosaurs.
Is it the same category?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Green go.
Green go.
Red shop.
Red stop.
Red shop.
Red stop.
Yellow shop.
Yellow is...
Shop.
No, get ready to stop. Or get ready to go.
Go.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Get ready.
No.
Yes.
No.
Should we cut your hair?
No.
Give you a haircut.
No. Green go.
Green go.
Yeah.
You'll go.
No, you go.
You go.
There you go.
You go.
There you go.
Anyway, we're just chilling. Elisa's in school. What else are we doing?
Pigeon.
Playing games?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
okay.
Cars.
Cars?
Yeah, cars.
Really?
Pretty cars.
Making cars?
I like red.
You like red cars? Yes, you love red
Sister
cars.
like. Mommy like yellow.
Mommy likes yellow.
I like red.
You like red? What does she like?
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
What about Mummy?
No.
Mummy doesn't like cars. What colour is Mummy's car?
Yellow.
No, Mummy's car is black.
Mommy black.
Mummy's car is black, yeah.
Sissy got yellow.
She's got a yellow one.
Mommy got black.
Yeah. So are you going to go to nursery tomorrow?
No.
What? Yes, you are.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You've got nursery.
No.
In the morning.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Apparently not, Ben. Apparently not. Apparently not. Apparently not. Are you cheeky?
No.
Yeah, I love you.
No.
You cheeky boy. Oh. Oh. Do you love Mummy?
Yeah.
Oh, give me a kiss then.
I like red. Sissy like yellow. Mommy like black.
Mummy likes black. What are you going to do now?
Cars.
Going to go play?
The cars.
Do you like playing with cars?
The mom house.
Mummy house cars.
Mom house. The mommy like back.
Can you sing a song for us?
The mommy back. Red.
Is that a song? I
Yeah.
love it.
The
Beautiful.
cars.
Can you sing Let It Go?
Let go. No.
Let it go.
No.
Let it go.
No.
Can't hold it
No.
back anymore.
No.
No. You can sing it. You're
No.
good at singing.
No.
Yeah, you're a superstar
No.
singer.
The cars.
You like cars.
I like red.
Yeah, we know.
Mommy like summer.
Mummy likes silver.
Yeah.
Really?
Mommy like cars. Mommy like back. Cars.
How old are you?
I want.
No.
I want.
You're 2.
No, I want.
Guys, we have this argument every day. I always ask him, how old are you? He says 1.
I want.
But you're going to be 3 in July.
I beat.
You're going to be 3.
I beat.
Oh, see, yeah, you are going to be 3.
No, I want. You be. I want.
Yeah, okay. Okie dokie, darling.
I beat.
How old is Mummy?
2.
Mummy's 2.
Yeah.
I wish I was 2.
I will be.
You're 3.
Mommy. Sissy 5.
She's 5.
Mommy 2.
Mummy's 2.
Sissy.
No, Mummy's 31.
No. The mommy 5.
What happened in the bathroom the other day?
I'm the best.
Yeah, what happened to the sink? Did you leave the plug in and leave the tap on?
Yeah.
And then what happened to the floor?
The board. At the other room.
Yeah.
The board. I did this.
Yeah, so the water went on the
Tap.
yeah, when it came onto the
Tap.
floor.
Pour.
Yeah, it fell on the floor, didn't it?
Pour.
And there was so much water everywhere.
The water.
Yeah, and where did it go?
Pour.
Yeah, but in what room did it go in?
The ice room.
Issa's room.
No, Lisa's room.
Issa and Elisa's room.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Mommy, what did Mommy do?
Wipe it.
Wipe it with what?
Towel.
Towels.
And to dry it.
And dry it.
And to that.
Yeah, and is it better now? Is there any water on the floor now?
No.
Yeah, that's very clever.
No.
Yeah, high five.
This
And
is-
then it's all gone now, isn't it?
Gone.
Yeah, it's nice and dry and clean.
Thank you.
Yeah, high five. Did you help me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you tried to. Give me cuddles. Issa said, it's wet, it's wet. It's wet. That's how I knew it was happening, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mum was like, what are you talking about? That was so dramatic. Oh my goodness. Wasn't it so dramatic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The red board.
So guys, it is a lot later now from the last clip you saw. I have been to work. I have come back from work. The kids are in bed. I have ordered a tortilla. I got some nachos. Didn't really mean to get them. They just came with the food that I got. I had to spend a bit more, so I had to order some churros. And then I got some sauces. And, of course, a burrito. So, my plan today was to have a stir fry because I was like, I'm just going to make something at home. And then I was on Instagram and I was like, you know what? It's Cinco De Mayo today, so I'm going to be having Mexican food, and that is the reason I have got a burrito today. But anyway, I then realised that I don't really know much about Cinco de Mayo. Okay, so I'm going to teach myself and teach you guys about it right now. What I've learned already is Cinco de Mayo means the 5th of May. Like, I didn't know that, I'm not even gonna lie, like, it's so obvious when you know, but I didn't know. I never really thought about it. So it means the 5th of May. And a lot of you are going to be like, duh. But I'm just stupid sometimes. Anyway, the next thing I learned, it is like a celebration of a battle that was won by the Mexican army when they were outnumbered by the French army. And this was the Battle of Puebla, which happened in 1852. That is the basic reason that Cinco de Mayo is celebrated, is because the Mexican army won an outnumbered battle on that day. There's a lot more to that you can go into. There's so many little details and everything, but I'm a very basic person and I don't understand a lot of things, so I'm going to teach you how I would teach myself. I also learned a few other things which I'm going to tell you right now. The general who led the army, his name was Ignacio Zaragoza, I think. I'll put his name here. But he led the army. He was only 33 years old when he led his troops to victory. How amazing is that? They actually changed his name to Puebla de Zaragoza, which is so cool because his name now named after the battle that he won. Amazing. A lot of people think that Cinco de Mayo is the Mexican Independence Day, but it isn't, because that was celebrated 50 years earlier in 1810, I think it was, on September the 16th. So it was a while before the battle actually happened. So that is a very big misconception of Cinco de Mayo, because people think that it is the Independence Day, but it's not. It is the victory of the battle. I need to eat my food, it's getting cold. So as I said before, the Mexican army was actually outnumbered by the French. So the Mexican army had around 2,000 and the French had about 6,000, which is like a crazy number, right? And they were also very poorly supplied compared to the French army. In Mexico, kids actually get a day off school on Cinco de Mayo because it's like a public holiday over there. And the place that it is celebrated the most is in the United States. It is crazy over there. They have parades, they have loads of food, loads of drinks, they dress up in bright colourful costumes and sombreros, and they literally just go crazy for the day. People dancing, and it's just a good time basically. So that is basically Cinco de Mayo. Like there's so much more that you could learn about it, but this is the basics of it, like the bare basics that even I understand. So I hope you enjoyed this little lesson on Cinco de Mayo, because I actually enjoyed learning about it. So I'm going to go and eat my burrito right now. I just thought you might enjoy learning about Cinco de Mayo. What do you think? Did you guys know all of this information? Let me know. And also, if you know anything else that I should have mentioned in this video, then let me know in the comments below. So I'm just sitting here eating my tortilla chips and my cheese dip. Oh, so good, guys. And I just came across an article about a train crash in Mexico on Cinco de Mayo. How mad is that it's happened today? So basically there's been a train crash in Mexico City. It happened on their railway line, which is like known for kind of lack of maintenance and deterioration of rails and earthquake damage. So basically one of the elevated parts of it that was over a road gave way as the train was going over, and then it collapsed into a road, caused like a massive car crash. There's like 25 people died and then 70 people injured. It's just so sad that it's actually like in the news today on Cinco de Mayo as well. It's just madness. Anyway, I'm just catching up on the news. Like I'm so bad at news and things like that, and today I was talking to my friend and I was like, I need to kind of keep up with this kind of stuff, and I need to kind of know what's going on, because when we talk about things it's just like, I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're on about. So I just feel a bit stupid. So right now I'm just kind of trying to educate myself. Not educate, but it will keep myself informed of worldly matters, and that's one of them, so I thought I'd let you know too. But anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video now because I'm just gonna get into my editing. I'm gonna pray Tarawih, I'm going to go to bed, and that is it. I just thought I'd come on here a little bit before I went to bed because I haven't really filmed it much today. So here you go, here's my face for another few minutes. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching all of my videos. Leave me a nice thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos. Let people know that I have been doing these videos every single day. It would be much appreciated. Leave a comment for me to read. I read all of the comments, but honestly, because there's so much going on, like I'm just always doing things, like I don't stop. This is like the most I've stopped today. I've just been like in Primark. I've been like running around trying to get things sorted. Hoodie orders are coming tomorrow, by the way, guys. I was like on the phone to them for like an hour today trying to get it like hurried up because it's just taking ages. Anyway, I've just been doing loads of bits and pieces. That's my point. Went to work, came back, and then I just haven't sat down until now. So this is one of the reasons I don't reply to many comments. I try to, I honestly do, and I do reply to some, but it's just so hard for me to just sit there for more than like 5 minutes and reply to everything, because it's just really difficult. But I honestly appreciate every little comment that you guys make, apart from like the rude ones, you can just go away. But honestly, every single comment that is in my comment section is read, and I love you all so much for it. I try to reply to, I especially try to answer questions. This is going to be the end of this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.